Hello children. Now we'll see the next identity, how to utilize it. So here we have a plus b whole cube. Remember children, which identity we are going to use here? A plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube, that is what? In that all will be plus. A cube plus b cube, first cube of each, then plus 3ab into a plus b. And if it is a minus, then all will be minus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in a bracket e minus b. But if we expand this, then this becomes plus. That you need to take care. So we have to expand this in cubic form. Now see here, a is what? So first term cube and second term. First term is what? 3 by 2x. So that we can write as 3 x by 2 whole cube as well, right? Second term cube plus 3 first term, right? This is 3 by 2, so we can write 3x by 2 also into 1, and in a bracket 3x by 2 plus 1. We have to expand this. Now this is a cubic, so 3 cube is 27 x cube upon 8. 1 cube 1. Here we cannot cancel anything. First we will write here plus 3 3s are 9x by 2 in a bracket 3x by 2 plus 1. Now this we can multiply this. So what will happen here? 27x cube upon 8 plus 1 plus this into this. So 9 3s are 27. X into x, x square. And 2 into 2, 4. Now multiply this with the 1. So that means we will have 9x by 2. So this is the expanded form of cubic polynomial, cubic identity, right? Now the fourth one, it is same only the fraction and all is given, and here it is a minus. So first term cube, right? Minus second term cube, that is we can write this also. Then minus 3 into multiplication of both, that is x into 2y upon 3, and in a bracket both the terms, right? Now see here, this is multiplication. This much is what? Multiplication. So here 3 3 we can cancel it. So here now x is cube, right? Minus this is 8y cube upon what will come? 3 cube 27. 3 3 cancel. So what is left here? Minus 2xy and bracket x minus 2y upon 3. Now let us multiply this. So here we have x cube, this is cube, 8y cube upon 27. Now see, multiply this into this. So x into x, and see outside is a minus. So minus 2x square y. Now when outside is a minus, inner sign will get changed. So this is plus. And what happened? 2 2s are 4x, y into y is y square upon 3. So this is the answer. Keep practicing. It will build up your confidence. God bless you children.